Hey guys, it's Abby and welcome to my channel. So I haven't done this talking type of video in a while, and I'm actually vlogging from New York. So I'm here in New York for a couple of months, 4 months actually, and I thought I'd film some updates today and talk about my journaling stash. So I went here not bringing a lot of things because I wanted to pack light. Yeah, right. So I went to different craft stores and stationery stores to like have some sort of craft corner here at my room. So I have this huge basket here, which I will show you guys current stuff that I have shopped for, and things that you might find interesting. So if you want to know more, just keep on watching this video. So I got this basket. First of all, this was during my first week. I had like a hard time sorting out my stuff here on the table, so I really love baskets. So I went to Target and I got this basket. It's pretty useful, and it actually stores a lot of my journaling stuff. I initially put my books here, but I decided to have a separate area for my books because I started to get more than 5 books, and I have a lot of books actually, which I'll talk about soon. So I'm just gonna show you some of the things I brought and some things I got. So first of all, I got these vintage style flowers from Michaels. So they're really pretty and very fall. The colors are very fall, so I just added them for some sort of accent. I have this like steel clip. I got this from Blick. I don't know what it's for, but just in case I need stuff for mounting my artworks. I have 2 rulers here actually. I got this from Blick. It's wooden and it's cute and has like a metal edge so that you're pretty sure the line's gonna be straight. I use this for art class. But this one, I got this from Color Factory. I went to Color Factory recently. It's an exhibit in Spring Street in Chinatown, and they gave away this really cute Technicolor ruler, and oh, it's made by Abbey. So there. I have a pouch that I brought from Manila. So this pouch is my Delfonics pouch. As you can see, I have a lot of enamel pins there, and yeah, mostly stuff that I really love, and I've decorated it with this Yayoi Kusama pumpkin keychain and a film camera canister. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, so this one, I got this from Japan. This Delfonics case is called a utility pouch for carrying tools. I find it really useful, especially for storing small items. So inside here I have, so this is one of my recent damages. I got these 2. They're really pretty. So the one is New York vintage stickers, and the other is Vintage Maps vintage stickers. So these are actually produced by Cavallini & Coates. It's a brand in San Francisco, and I've been following a lot of their work because they have also this set of New York vintage postcards, which I used to send postcards to my friends. And they have a lot of stickers inside, like 100, so I have all the stickers that I need because I went here not bringing that much, expecting to get more here. So yeah, I guess I did. So I have these 2. And I also didn't bring a lot of washi tapes, but I'll show you some of them later on. So I bought this washi tape set. It's from Michaels. I got this from Michaels. I think it was $9, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rolls inside, which is not bad. And the designs are very vintage, so I'm very particular with my designs, and they're actually very New York, so I decided to get one and use them. Some of my other tools here, actually I have a lot of paper here. So speaking of paper, I am a huge fan of rifle paper, to the point that I actually bought their corksicle. Their collab with corksicle, so I use it as my school tumbler. But anyway, I ordered prior, and I ordered a set of these notebooks. So I haven't gotten to use them both, but they're really pretty and they're very versatile. I mean, look at that gold foil. I also got a enamel pin from Rifle Paper. It says "Write More Letters." It's really cute. So speaking of enamel pins, I also got this one from one of my friends in DC, Trisha. She gave me the Rosie the Riveter enamel pins. So I really haven't gone around to use some of my enamel pins because I'm scared they'll get lost. I have a lot that have gotten lost. So I'll probably pin these on my utility pouch. So apart from that, I did get some notebooks. And oh, by the way, this is a booklet that I bought way back in Manila. It's from SM Stationery and it was on sale and it was the only copy left, so of course I had to get it. It's actually Sticky Notes of New York. So I've been using these a lot for my journaling and collage work. So I went here not buying a lot of notebooks, but I really had to get one notebook for free writing, for personal writing. So I got this soft cover notebook from Moleskine. It's in teal. It's my favorite color. So inside are just like personal stuff that I've been writing about and like low-key planning things about my future, some notes and random learnings that I've been acquiring recently. Although I have a separate notebook for my schoolwork. And I only brought these two, this TN, my regular size TN in camel. So I have like some enamel pins there, button pins which I designed, and then I have the airplane charm which I got from Tokyo at the Naruto store at the airport. So I have some washi tapes here, I'll show you. I have, yeah, here's my like container. I have New York washi tapes, thanks to Coco for giving me these. And I also have some stickers that I haven't used and the Van Gogh washi tapes because I love Van Gogh. I also have some of my tags here, so I've been buying a lot of Uniqlo clothing here, so for obvious reasons, I'm such a huge fan of the brand. So I have two notebooks here. Sorry. You'll instantly know which one is the journal. So I have this one as my journal. It's like a collage journal, which is something I do. If you haven't seen some of my journals, I will link them down below so that you'll see what it looks like. So it's basically the collage of things that have been happening recently. And then I have this one, which I've been trying out, but it's very packed. It's my daily planner. Welp! So I write a lot about school, what needs to be done, errands, things I have to do. So apart from going to school here, I also am shipping orders from the US. So if you want to order, do check the link down below for more details. And then I also have, yeah, people I have to meet, things I have to buy in a week, run in the morning and do other things. So there are a lot going on, mostly in a week here. So I try to make sure that I get them done and they're here. Although I also have a separate notebook for my expenses because I'm OC like that. I have some receipts here from the post office. I've been buying a lot of stamps because I've been sending a lot of postcards. So I'll show you some of my stamps. So I really love this one. I told you I'm a big Anna Rifle Bond fan, Rifle Paper Co fan. So this is a forever stamp for the US. So it costs $1.15 to send a postcard from the US to anywhere in the world. So I had to get a lot because each forever stamp just costs 50 cents. If you're gonna send from anywhere in the US, it's just 35 cents. So I've been also getting a lot of questions on how to do postcards, how to send them. So I'll probably like do a tutorial soon. So speaking of postcards, I have sent a lot already to some friends, but I'll show you how the stamps look like. So it's like that. 4. So that's 50, 50, 10, 5. So it's $1.15. Sorry, I had to cover the address. I've been sending a lot of postcards recently and I've been into stamps. I've also received some postcards from my friends, so thanks for that. I got this from Chingai, thanks Chingai, and from Coco. And I also went to the Smithsonian National Postal Museum in DC, so I sent myself a postcard, which I've got here. And I managed to snag a lot of things at the souvenir store. So here are some envelopes that I got. They're like souvenir envelopes. It's actually just $5 each. They're so pretty. I got the ones that had Amelia Earhart on the cover, and the other one is like anniversary, official first day cover of the envelope. And of course I had to buy stamps, so I bought I have 2 so far, but I'll show you one of them. I bought a series of postage stamps, vintage postage stamps. So there are a lot here, and I don't know what they're for. I just like using them, having them around, sorting them by color because I'm that OC. And speaking of the Smithsonian National Postal Museum, I went to the museum and they had this like stamp gallery, so you could take home 6 stamps. I got some stamps here. I'll show you some of them. Yeah, like this one. Can you see it there? Basically, a lot of vintage stamps that I managed to collect while I was there. So for my documenting purposes, I do have an Instax printer that I brought over. So this is my Instax SP3. Here, it's kind of boxy, and actually these are already in square films, so it's pretty cool. And I've been using it to print my photos. So so far I have this one. It's the train view from DC. If you hear like weird plane sounds, it's because I live near the airport, so there's that. So I've been printing a lot of square prints because this printer is the newest one from Fuji, and I got this right before I left, so it was a great addition to my journaling stash, and it's actually lighter. And I like how it's very easy to use. You just simply connect your phone through a Wi-Fi device. Connect your phone with this one through Wi-Fi and pick photos, and you can edit on the spot. You can like reduce the contrast, fix the colors, everything. So it's easier to print out and you'll get the quality that you really want. I'm gonna share that. So I went to Target during my first week here, and I got a basket, which was the one I showed you. And then I also have bought like some random decor stuff like this, like ampersand paperweight. I mean, it's so cute. So I got it for, I don't know, for display purposes. And the other day I was in Michael's and they were having like some promos. So I got myself this really cute pumpkin dish. I don't know. I was like, I really wanted to have like a Halloween / fall decor kind of thing going on here in the room. So I got this, which happily stores some of my smaller things, like this really cute eraser. I bought it from CW Pencil Enterprise in Chinatown, and I don't know why the erasers here are pretty cute. I mean, look at this Papermate one. I've started using it though. So yeah, basically that's my current stash of things. I don't really have a lot, but I didn't really want to hoard too much as well because I didn't want to end up bringing home so many things. But those are some of the things that I've been currently using. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to ask, if you have any questions or comments, just leave a comment down below. I'd be glad to answer them. And if you want to check out my books and buy and support me, you can click the link down below. It's actually shop.abbey-sy.com. Anyway, just click the link down below. And thanks for watching this video. I hope to do more of my videos. You'll probably see this background a lot, and well, the weather now is pretty good, so I think that's a reason why the lighting is good. So you'll probably see this background a lot for the next couple of months. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!